Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's October 17th, a Thursday. So, apologize for being out for a few days. Had a family funeral to attend in Denver. Um, so moving on. So, what do we got going on today, news wise? We had core retail sales, which came in at 0.5%. Retail sales came in at 0.4%. Unemployment came in at 241, which is really good number. Philly Fed came in at positive number at 10.3. These are all positive numbers for the economy. So economy seems to be cruising right on. Really not a lot going on after this. 8:45, we have the ECB press conference. That's really not affect the U.S. market too much. 9:15, we've got capacity utilization and industrial production, both yellow items. 10 a.m. business inventories, also a yellow item, so low impact. Housing index, also low impact. 10:30, we have natural gas storage. 11 o'clock, crude oil inventory. Remember, crude oil inventories always affect crude oil pretty good. It's a medium impact item. FOMC member Goolsbee speaks at 11 as well. We have Treasury Secretary Yellen speaking at at least after 11 a.m. tentative. And that's all the news we have for this lovely Thursday. Moving on. Looking at we had two inside days since Monday. That's just sort of neutral, but now we're gapping up. It looks like we are going to take out that all-time high. Where could we go? Nobody knows. Probably 59.50 is definitely within range if we can break out and get going. A lot of scuttlebutt about who's going to win the presidential election. What does the market think? Who's the market betting on? And, I don't think the market even cares. I think the market is just powering on. And I do believe that once we get a clear indication of who is going to be president for the next 4 years, that the market will sell off, actually. And it doesn't matter who is elected. That's just my 2 cents worth. Not knowing is better than knowing sometimes. Anyway, that being said, all-time highs here right at it here pre-market. Volume continues to be thin, or at least less than average. Again, telling me that there's not a lot of participation going on in this market during this cycle. Looking at the inventory for yesterday was positive with positive price action. Even the day before, negative, positive. So the market seems to be in tune with itself and making sure that inventory moves in the direction of price, and that's the way it should move. Looking ahead, looking at the intraday overnight action, squash this up just a little bit. 71 was the low. High is a 19, so that is approximately 38 points or so. So that is slightly above average, but really nothing really of interest. And remember that above this 59.18 area is all-time high. So the lines we have here are guesstimations. Resistance, 59.30, 59.50. Just above 59.80. Support, of course, 5900 is the round number. 58.80, really right there at 58.82. Below that, 58.60, 58.50. Then you have to drop down into this area here, which is a 58.15 before you really get any kind of good support. That is what it is. So, Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 61.9. 61.9. So a 61.9% chance the market will be up. Positive bias today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.